The tires on here have been sitting on the shelf for 4 years before we ran them here. The brakes are about shot.
Really enjoy how well the car turned out.
As a vintage car and put it in modern Trans Am 1, it's still running top 10 times.
Yes.
Haha, you don't have a roof. What's up, people? It's Sunday and the last race for Genius Garage. We did not get a practice and warm up today, so it's just race. And it's pretty cool. It's been a beautiful weekend here. It's nice seeing Doug come out with the Viper and of course the guys. But something I think is really neat to talk about with regard to the Genius Garage Corvette. This Corvette is now the oldest car in the field. It's actually from the 1980s. And it's tired. We pulled it out of a cotton field, an old trailer, put the old engine back together. Heck, the tires on here have been sitting on the shelf for 4 years before we ran them here. The brakes are about shot. One of the belts is from a lawn and garden supply. But if we took this car as a vintage car and put it in modern Trans Am 1, it's still running top 10 times, even as it sits on old tires with old brakes that are going away pretty quick. So I think that says a lot about Genius Garage and everything that's going on here, and I hope if you were out, you enjoyed it. So today we're just gonna cut to it, go to the race, see if we can bring it back in one piece, put on a good show, and have some fun here at Mid-Ohio. See you at the race.
This is a hot car. Hello. The brakes didn't go away like they did yesterday, but the fuel pressure went away on the straights. On the back straightaway in third gear, on coming out of pit, it would go down to like 2 PSI and start not making power. Really? So I was like patting it, flipping things on and off, and then
What's wrong?
yeah, I started short shifting a little and using like 80% throttle.
Weird.
But
You made it.
That was pretty cool. What'd you think, buddy?
We did it. We
Yeah.
did this race cake and we did it. We got second place and the car performed very well. Everything that the whole team put together, it's fantastic. And I really enjoy how well the car turned out, especially for its first outing in about a year or so.
Yeah, that's true. First time in Ohio in like 3 years.
Right.
Nice. What'd you think, Jacob, the boomer?
Oh, I had a great time. It was nice having you down in Mansfield.
Yeah, staying at Jacob's house. It's really fun. Jacob's house is legit a time machine to like 1963, and he has appliances from that time that blew everyone's mind. What did you think of his appliances, Blaine?
We need to go back.
Back in time.
Back in time.
We have fallen so far
We
in
have
the modern
fallen
times.
so far.
We have. Okay, so a big thanks to John DeGainer and Stone Ridge being supportive, sporting competitors. John finished first. Congratulations to him today with his fancy Mustang. We'll have to, we need more horsepower and brakes, so we don't let him win again. But I gotta spray him with champagne. Yes,
Yeah.
yes. I told him he could send an invoice for dry cleaning. I don't think we'll lose that invoice. It's okay. But Doug isn't here. Our full team is not here. Do you guys know we're missing Doug?
Yes.
Why are we missing Doug?
He's over there asleep.
Why is he asleep?
Because he decided to study the inside of his eyelids.
Well, let's go change that. Shh, everybody be quiet. We're gonna sneak up on Doug. Okay, come. Stay. So Doug's asleep. Doug is the fencer and helper, and he's got a Viper, just like mine. Oh, snap. Oh. Yes. Hold on. Snap. Wake up!
Not quiet enough.
Ah! I hate Viper drivers. They're all jerks. Also, for anybody just watching for the first time, I have two. It's an inside joke. Well, that was disappointing.
Well, if you'd have been quiet, you'd have been able to sneak up.
Damn it. Oh well. All right. So anyway.
It is what it is.
Yeah.
That didn't look good.
Wait. What do we do now?
Fun time.
We gotta pack up and go home, don't we?
Yeah, he's having a fun time getting home.
Haha. You don't have a roof. Wait, legit? You don't have your normal soft top thing?
Nope, didn't bring it.
You didn't bring it?
Didn't bring it.
You're too baller for a roof.
Yep.
Okay, well done. This is why he's on Genius Garage team. So, do we want to start packing up now?
We kind of have to.
Okay, let's go get steak. Yes, see you next time. Subscribe, click the bell. Otherwise, YouTube's dumb and won't show you stuff. Catch you next time. Well, a huge thank you to Crushproof Tubing Company. Since 1949 in Macomb, Ohio, they've been manufacturing custom rubber and plastic tubes for every industry imaginable. No tooling or mold costs, fast and free custom samples, and American-made quality is what sets them apart. But for me, I'm most excited about their exhaust evacuation kit. Different modular pieces and their convoluted custom hoses make it so that I can adapt any car, truck, or motorcycle with an internal combustion engine to get those exhaust gases out of my shop so I can keep working in safety and comfort.
But beyond just that, they build a variety of hoses for a custom OEM world. You'll see stretchable drain tubing and bellows, as well as agriculture, medical, and military. So again, guys, Crushproof Tubing Company, crushproof.com, and go down in the description below to see where to get your free samples for industry or your exhaust tubing.